So it is Friday. After this weekend, school starts. Yeah, that was my cat. So me and my friend were going to this kind of cabin again, the same one that we went to in March. So we haven't been there at all since March, so it's been a while. The minute I got home, I immediately started unpacking, as otherwise I would have probably just never done it. And as you can see, here I am doing my hair oiling routine. I always do my hair oiling routine on Thursdays and Sundays. So I took it kind of easy the rest of the day. I just took a shower and hung out with the kitties. I just finished Emma by Jane Austen, and I would say that I'd probably give it a 4 out of a 5. So I kind of liked it. At the beginning, I had a really hard time getting into it, understanding the characters, imagining the story. So about halfway in, I decided to watch the movie, the 2020 movie, and I really liked the movie, and it got me really excited to continue reading. Also, look at this gorgeous cover. This is from the Cranford collection. I have 2 other books from the Cranford collection, but I live in Sweden and these are kind of hard to find in English. I found mine from a seller on Vinted, but it got quite pricey. I paid a bit more than I would have wanted to pay. So I also have Sense and Sensibility, and I have The Secret Garden. It is Monday, which means that tomorrow school is starting. So this is gonna be a new school for me. I am going to an online school, so everything will be done from home. Everything will be done on my computer. And today the kittens are leaving, at least 3 out of 4. They've turned 3 months now, so it's time for them to go to their families. It's gonna be a bit depressing without them. They have been here during the whole summer, so it's been quite lively. It's been kind of fun. I mean, one will be staying because he hasn't gotten sold yet. It's gonna be a bit lonely. I will finally be able to spend some more time with my cat.